Well, I don't know if any of you had the opportunity to come out when we did we were out calls through the training.
Yeah, the Florida Police Safety Institute.
So, but we had I don't know if you might want to tell them a little bit about what we did out there, where we saw some of the state jacks and things like that.
Certainly, what we did was we actually demonstrated what's happening out there and how Floridians are actually being duped into getting involved in auto crashes. And for the bad guys, is something that is very simple to do. All you have to do is just wait and see someone who's actually driving a nice car, someone who looks like they have insurance, and then all of a sudden do different types of tactics to actually become involved in a crash. And then the next thing you know, you have multiple people going to the doctors, going to chiropractors, whatever, and before it's all said and done, there's a lot of money that Floridians are spending, and something that law enforcement is obviously concerned with, and we appreciate the governor very much and the leadership looking at this issue, because it is not only an economic, but it's also a public safety issue for Floridians.
Yeah, it's a way to think about tip fraud. Depending on whose numbers you believe, it's $1 billion plus of fraud every year. In the poorest families, they have to have a car to get to work. We all do. We all have to have cars to get to work, whether they're trying to start a business. It's in the poorest families, it's a bigger portion of their income that they have to put in this auto insurance. Some places in the state, to buy $10,000 worth of coverage, you're spending $1,500. And on top of that, is we have people that they're staging these accidents or causing accidents, and so it's a safety issue that people are getting injured that don't need to get injured, and then people are not really in these accidents, are in these cars and say they're in the cars, which is causing a lot of fraud. So I'm very optimistic that we're going to get this taken care of this session. We've got to make sure we don't allow providers to take advantage of citizens of the state. We don't allow some lawyers that try to do the wrong thing and have these frivolous lawsuits that are, again, not for the benefit of citizens of the state.